Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and then here click on the right upper corner, and you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from this account, we should remove one from these accounts on our Google account settings. So just to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and as can you see, we launch the Google account settings. And for example, just to log out from the first account, click here and click to remove account, and then just tap here to remove account again. And as can you see, in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And now we'll go back to the application. Okay, and here you can see that we just stay only with one account in Gmail applications too. So that's it, that's how to log out from Gmail application on our Samsung Galaxy. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.